Upgrading beauty devices feels like a hassle? Can't track or control equipment after it's rented out? Managing multiple branches but unclear about how beauty machines are being used? Our Beauty Equipment IoT Internet of Things system can easily solve all of these problems. With just a computer or a smartphone, you can view the status and usage of all your devices, anytime, anywhere. Say goodbye to traditional, inefficient management. Embrace an IoT-based smart beauty equipment management system. What benefits can a beauty equipment IoT system bring? Real-time monitoring. Track the status, usage time, and performance of all your machines anytime, anywhere, right from your phone or computer. Remote management and control. Easily turn machines on/off, set usage limits, or lock equipment remotely, especially helpful for rentals or multi-location businesses. Improved efficiency. No more relying on manual records or guesswork. The system helps streamline your operations and saves time for your staff. Enhanced customer experience. Ensure machines are always in top condition and properly scheduled, delivering more consistent and professional services. Stronger asset protection. Prevent misuse or unauthorized access to your equipment, and track each device's service history and usage details. Data-based business decisions. Access detailed reports and insights to understand which services are most popular, helping you make smarter marketing and investment choices.